It's really important to make sure that not just I'm happy, but the rest of the family's happy too. I absolutely love the latest GVM upgrade on my LC300, my Landcruiser 300. It's brilliant. It's exactly what I've been looking for. It's what I've been waiting for. It's absolutely sure-footed, particularly around corners, particularly in the rain. Off-road, it's just 100% in control all the time, is sure-footed. There's no heel towing, there's no rolling, there's no the van pushing the car around. It's just so good. In fact, I had somebody with me the other day when I was towing, and the guy said to me, it feels like the caravan isn't even behind the car. I'm towing a 3.5 ton full off-road van cruiser van, so it's pretty heavy. It's over height because of my height, so it has a lot of weight behind, a lot of movement in the van because of its size, particularly when it's windy. It's like a big sail, and it can push the car around a fair bit. So having this GVM upgrade, one, it's legal to tow, and two, it's just nice and sure-footed. It's really nice without being firm, without being aggressive, without being uncomfortable. It's just the right mix. My LC300, I couldn't wait to get it. I had to wait a little bit of time for it to arrive, and then when I got the vehicle and drove the vehicle, I realised that it needed a few things done to it to suit my driving style and what I wanted to achieve. And then I've gone about changing the wheels, changing the offset, putting the flared guards on, airbags in the back, and now the GVM upgrade's fantastic. I've had that put in now. It's got the coilovers. All the shock absorbers are adjustable, so if I want it to be soft, I can have it soft. If I want it to be nice and firm, nice and firm. So if I don't want any roll or any dip and heel toe, I can cater for all of that. And the thing is, it's just wonderful. It's still like factory in feel, but just the capability is just next level. Taking it off-road was unbelievable. I was so happy. The way the suspension worked it really surprised me actually. I was expecting it to be rough. I was expecting a little bit of compromise in the flexibility, but no, not at all. It gives me tons of flex. The vehicle just drove like it was factory, but just on steroids. I had a smile on my face, it was great, and I'm sure there's some footage around to show the fun we had. It was just awesome.